Hi everyone, this is Momin from Mount Dynamics. In this video, you are going to have a tutorial on 8x32 LED dot matrix. In this project, we will be explaining how to display a word, how to scroll the words, how to control the scrolling speed, and how to make it scroll vertical. In this project, we need 8x32 LED dot matrix display, Arduino Uno board, female to male jumper wires, and Arduino board cable. We will do the circuit connections now. The first thing what we have to do is we have to connect the 5 pins to the 8x32 LED matrix. So this is done. So we will connect the to Arduino board. The black one is the VCC, which has to go to +5 of Arduino board. The white one is the ground, that has to go to the ground of Arduino. Then is data in pin. The data in pin has to go to 11. Screen has to go to 11. Then comes chip select pin, that has to go to 10. 10 is here. Then the last one is clock pin, that has to go to 13 of Arduino board, pin number 13. So the connection has been done. Before coding, we need few libraries that has to be included in the Arduino software. Those are MD Parola and MD Max 72XX, and also you have to include this library, MD UI Switch. I have downloaded these into the software, but I'll be showing you the procedure how to do it. And all the three has the same procedure, so I'll be just doing one download. I'll do MD Max 72XX. You can follow the same procedure for MD Parola and also MD UI Switch. So for downloading Max 72XX, go to Google, type MD Max 72XX library, go to github.com, press code, download the zip. Once the zip is downloaded, open the Arduino software, go to sketch, include library. Once you go to include library, go to add zip library. There you open downloads. In downloads you can see Max 72XX here. So double click on that and click open. So once you do this, the library will be included in the software. The same procedure has to be done for MD Parola and MD UI Switch. So now let's code it. The first thing what we'll be doing is displaying a word on the 8x32 LED dot matrix. For this, let's open Arduino software. Once you open the Arduino software, you have to go to File. From File, go to Examples. From Examples, go to MD Max 72XX. From there, click it on Print Text. So a new window will open. You can see here. So here, in Define Hardware Type, you have to change it to FC16 instead of Parola. FC16. This 8x32 LED matrix is also called as FC16 dot matrix. So we have put the correct name here, FC16, and maximum number of devices. See, 8x8 here is one device. So we have 4 8x8 here. That makes 8x32. So maximum number of devices are 4. So here you can see hello is printed over here. If you want to print something else, hi, just hi. So let's upload it now. We'll see if it is displayed or not. It's compiling now. As you can see, high has been displayed on the 8x32 LED matrix. Click the Arduino software, then once it's open, go to File, Examples, Parola. From Parola, you go to Parola Scrolling. Okay, once this is open, go to the hardware type, change it to FC16 because it is FC16 dot matrix, and maximum devices to 4. We have 4 8x8 LED dot matrix. Next is change here, change this to high because we want the alphabet word high to be displayed and we want this to scroll down. So yes, so let's upload. It's uploading. Yes, so now you can see the word high is scrolling, and also you can notice at the end it is stopping for 2 seconds. We can reduce it. I'll show you how. Scroll down, and you can see here this the scroll pause. This scroll pause here, it is 2000 milliseconds have been fixed, so you can change it. If you don't want the word to stop, you can make it 0. Now let's upload and see. It's uploading now. Now you can see clearly that the word high is scrolling without stopping. Now, if you want to reduce the speed or increase the speed, you can change it here. You can see the scroll speed here. It's 25. If you want to increase it, you have to reduce the time. That is, give it 5 seconds, 5 milliseconds, sorry. Now try to upload it. And 5 is very less speed. I think you can't even read the word properly. We'll see. Now it's uploading. Yeah, you can see it now, how fast it's moving, scrolling. If you want to reduce the speed, you make it 200 milliseconds, and now we'll upload and check. Yes, it's uploaded, and you can see the word high is scrolling without stopping, but the speed has been reduced a lot. Let's try the vertical scrolling now. Open Arduino software. Once you open the Arduino software, go to File. From File, go to Examples. From Examples, go to MD Parola. From Parola, you can see here Parola scrolling vertical. Click here. So the Parola scrolling vertical is open. Now go down. You have to change the hardware again to FC16. Then maximum devices to 4. And we'll change the letter. We'll change the word high to high. Is changed. Now let's upload. It's compiling now. Yes. Now you can see it is scrolling vertical. If you like this video, please do subscribe.